Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to change the amount of time that the customer is told when they place an online order. It's that amount of time they give you to make the food and when they are told to go pick it up. So they call it the online ordering lead time. So you can do this from the back end, or at least you can set your base time. But if you're at the restaurant and you're getting backed up and you need to change it to something different than what it is to give yourself some more time to make everything, then I recommend doing that from the iPad. So once you sign in, you're going to go to this little icon up here at the top, and we have our lead time here. So we set our default lead time to 10 minutes, but let's say we're just getting slammed, so let's move it up 20 minutes, and you hit save. And then it adjusts it to 20 minutes, and that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.